Alright, today I am going to be showing you how to microwave bread. This right here is a piece of bread. I'm trying to be healthy, so this is a piece of whole wheat bread. I am going to microwave bread. First, what you're going to do is you're going to open the microwave, okay? The microwave is open. Now I am going to take the bread, I am going to place it in the microwave, turn on the microwave, set it for the appropriate time. All right, the bread is done. I have just microwaved bread. And that's how you microwave bread.